We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and pattern. Okay, guys, we are marking up EUR USD. Let's select the time frame to be on. Let's go with, let's check out the daily today. Let's see what the daily time frame looking like. Let's see where we can find some patterns in the market, what we can work with. A lot of areas are here, so let's go. Let's work with this area here. So we're gonna start somewhere in this section. That'll be October or November 2016, and we can take it as far as somewhere over here. Okay, identifying what's going on in the market right in front of us. So first thing you want to identify is higher high, so we know if that market goes up, it'll be the highest the market can reach until it breaks out. And we're going to look for lowest lows, so we clearly see that market's going to come down this area for the lows. Last but not least, I love to add the midpoint in the middle. Also divides the market in half. When you look for these patterns, it's a lot easier to find the patterns. That's on any chart. All right, so let's see what's going on. Okay, so there's a lot going on here. There's patterns inside patterns. So overall, market came down to a low. So what do we have? We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means the market dipped down first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, near the average line, still pushed up for a fourth right here, cap. Okay, so we identified that we are coming out of a quadruple bottom. This is 4 pitches to the bottom. Market wasn't able to break, and we see that market working its way up to that incline, which how we got the 4 pushes to the top. Okay, so within that patterns, within them circles I circled, there's patterns in here. So let's see if we can identify what's what. In this one we have a single bottom, so that market came down once and pushed right back up. There's also a retest in there, so market came back down. So that looks like retest, push back up. In this circle here, we received some type of triple bottom. So we got one spike up, one spike down, market pushed up. Second spike down, market pushed up. Third spike down, market pushed up. Triple bottom, 1, 2, 3. We got the retest, the market pushed up once, twice, 3 times, 4. Overall cap, market coming down after the retest. Okay, after this high, this area here, we got that what? Double top. Okay, and after the double top, market pushed down back to the area of support of that low. Not touching, but still in that zone of that range. Okay, what did we receive? We received once. Let's read it off with our structure. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, 3, 4 in the same area. So that's cap. Market's coming back down. So market this area of support. Market did a 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a quadruple top, 4 pushes to the bottom. Market couldn't break. At the retest, the market pushed up about 4 times. Exhausted itself. That's cap. So we already know that this area was coming down. Okay. So that's what's going on in this circle here. We got one spike up to the top with a retest candle, with a doji, with a very weak candle, and that's a single top with a retest. So market pushed down once. Market pushed down twice, market pushed down 3 times, and the market looked like it's working way back up. So market came right back to a low near the previous area of that support of the lowest lows of the overall market. And what do we receive here? We received a triple top. A double bottom. Okay, so first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, retest, market pushed up 4, retest, market pushed up 5. Over exhausted itself. That's about 5 pushes to the top, but we can see that market didn't do nothing in this area here. So that means that market's forming something. Okay, so it's some type of pattern being formed. The only areas that were respected for those pushes was here. Kind of stopped at that 4th push somewhere in this area here. Let's take a look at what went on for that extra pushes. So we already know when you start getting about over the average, or when you get over the average of 3, there may be some type of consolidation. We confirmed that somewhere in this area here. I think it was either this push or that push, and then it would have been 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overexhausted itself. So we already know it's some area of consolidation. Okay, so it's a pattern forming. What's the pattern? It's a W. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Okay, it's an incline W as well. So that means that market was trying to break once, twice, three times, wasn't able to break. Came back to that retest, created enough momentum for that full push up. So let's read it again. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market pushed up twice, retest. Okay, market pushed up three times. That's average. Retest 4, retest 5. Now it's over exhausted itself. So that means if it passed the average of 3, we know that some type of market is consolidating here. So what pattern do we see once again? There's a W. Let's read it. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double bottom, retest still in this area here. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up third time, came back down. Market pushed up 4 and dropped all the way back down. So 4 pushes to the top, market exhausted itself. So that means that what? You receive some type of pattern in that area. What pattern? What is it? 1, 2, 3. That's a triple top. The first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market push down once, retest, market push down twice. You got the triple top and a retest in this area. So you can either call it the triple top, or you can call it a triple top and a retest, or you call it a quadruple top, 4 pushes to the top. After that, how many times the market pushed down? Once, twice, and then working his way back up. Okay, so that's average. That's 2 times instead of average of 3. So that means a pattern was formed. You can clearly see it. It's a decline W, which is the first leg, second leg, third leg, triple bottom, I would say. So I didn't see this doji right here. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, triple bottom, retest, the market blasts off from there. And yeah. Okay, guys, please study market patterns in the market on Google. Type in Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, review the images, understand when the market's at that high of that image, what's going to happen. Market's at that low of that image, what's going to happen. Very important information, guys. Please understand breakout retest strategies. When the market is on the SR lines, what do you do? What will the market do? Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. EUR, USD.